Today I was out for a walk with my friend when she told me she has to visit All India Institute of Medical Science for a checkup and for some investigation, and she's dreading to go there because by end of the day she will be so exhausted. But she says this is what it is. That's a reality. So I sympathize with her. I said it doesn't have to be like that. But you are right. Unfortunately, medical health services and facilities and health services are lacking in our country, and it's high time that we establish new age clinics where we should be having OPD from morning 8 a.m. till evening 8 p.m. Of course, in two shifts, and then we have all the specialists visiting the clinics and facilities like X-ray, ultrasound, path lab, where all the early cases and all the basic diseases are treated. Only in case of complicated cases where there is opinion of senior doctors are required or some advanced investigations are required, then these cases should be referred to All India Institute of Medical Sciences or any such other government hospitals. So this will take off lots of burden from government hospital and AIIMS. And another thing is, even the existing CGHS dispensaries and municipal clinics should be renovated because they are at such prime location. All the equipment should be working there, and they shouldn't have all those dingy corridors, ill-lit corridors, and stinking toilets, no sitting facilities, no waiting facilities, people sitting outside in the corridor sleeping, and very rude staff, very uncooperative, very arrogant, and lazy staff. So all this should be changed. So if these dispensaries and new age clinics are at par with the private hospitals, then even the private hospital where the consultation fees are so high, and then they send you for the battery of investigations and or suggest operations and all, which may not be required all the time. So things can change. This is how we improve our health services. So I think if you also agree on this, so please say yes, and please press the follow button. Thank you.